So we found some flowers in Trader Joe's, and I just couldn't help but buy some. So we're showing you how to make these pretty bouquets. So you can make them for weddings, you can make them for prom, whatever dances, or if you're like us and they were just such gorgeous flowers that you are just going to make them to put in your house. So that we're showing you how to also make like the handheld bouquets, but also how to cut them down if you just want them in a vase. So we're gonna show you. All right, so here's your vase.